the mechanism bolted up to the roll-up tube, we're now going to adjust its position in the cover housing. With the bracket on the pool side of the housing, it should be touching the encapsulation, and you'll find that it will be the same thing on the other side. And that will center this roll-up tube between the encapsulation and center it on the pool. Currently, the mechanism can slide back and forth. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide it forward until the feet on the legs are up against the bend at the bottom of the cover housing. That will keep the mechanism a little bit more forward from center and give us a little bit more room in the back of the housing. We'll do the same thing on the other side. On the non-motor side, slide the mechanism forward until the feet are up against the bend in the cover housing at the bottom. With the mechanism centered on the encapsulation and pushed all the way forward in the cover housing, we're now ready to secure the feet to the floor. In the mechanism hardware kit, locate the 1-inch self-drilling screws and use 4 of them to attach the feet to the floor of the cover housing. We'll use 2 more to attach the feet of the non-motor side to the floor of the cover housing.